On top of searching, editing, and creating patient records in the patient management screen, we have the export and import patients functions. The export patients function will export the entire list of patients along with identifiers into an Excel spreadsheet. You can then make changes and save changes on the available fields and import the same Excel file back. Importing a modified Excel spreadsheet will cause corresponding modification in the database. For example, if a patient's name is modified in the exported Excel file, and the same file with the saved changes is imported back into the BMT base, you will see that the changed name will be reflected in the application as well. You can use this method to change a large number of patient names at once. The changed name will be retained in the database unless the patient record is edited using the application interface or by importing a modified patient Excel spreadsheet. You can also use the import function to merge patient records. Under most conditions, it is not recommended to merge patient records. However, if a patient has transplant information entered in both the legacy BMT base database and then later in FormSnet, we will have duplicate patient records for the same patient. This is due to the fact that legacy data imported contains the IUBMID and IBMTR numbers, and the FormSnet data contains the HSCT or the CRIT number. The application will recognize these two sets of identifiers as belong to two different persons. To merge two patient records, you will need to move the corresponding identifiers onto the same line in Excel. Delete the duplicate row. And import the list. The result is you will have one single patient record with both the HSCT and IUBMID and IBMTR number. One thing you cannot use the import function for is to add new fields in the database. The import function will only recognize values under these column headers. Any additional columns added to the spreadsheet will be ignored.